Hey friends, Erik Mayol with Denison Yachting here in Newport Beach, California to show you a beautiful 2013 Azimut 64 Fly. Welcome aboard and enjoy as we check her out. On the flybridge, you have the upper helm, barbecue, and tons of lounging space. The salon has a very large U-shaped sofa across from a love seat with a pop-up TV behind. Moving forward, we have a fully equipped galley, dining area, and lower helm station. The Azimut 64 Fly is a 3-stateroom, 3-ensuite head layout. She features a very large midship master stateroom with huge windows in the hull that allow you to wake up to an awesome ocean view. The VIP is forward and has a very spacious walk-around island queen. Just aft on the starboard side is the guest stateroom equipped with side-by-side twin berths. On behalf of Denison Yachting and myself, Erik Mayol, thanks for joining us today. For a private showing or more info, please feel free to call me anytime. Thanks so much and see you on the water soon.